Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Today I will be talking about midbrain answer section, particularly answer section at superior cortical level. So we will go with whatever we know about now. What these two structures, can anyone help me find out what is it? Thalamus. Okay. So if this is thalamus, the downward structures we have is the brainstem. This particularly is the dorsal view of the brainstem, in which we can see my midbrain, pons, and medulla. Pons because of the fourth ventricle, and medulla because of pyramid and olive. This structure which I am going to talk about is midbrain. So this, as we can see, is the superior collicular and the inferior collicular. Let's go to the transverse section or superior collicular. So in the superior collicular, we can have two components: gray matter and the white matter. Gray matter, which contains the cell bodies of the nucleus, and white matter, which contains the axon. In the gray matters, we can see the nucleus of superior colliculus over here. Then we go to pretectal nucleus. So pretectal nucleus is a unique nucleus present in the midbrain, which have many functions and receives afferent fibers from the optic tract, and it gives afferent fibers to the Edinger-Westphal nucleus, which is the parasympathetic component of oculomotor nerve. So this pretectal nucleus, it is associated with two type of defects, light pupil light reflex and consensual reflex. So if this is affected, there is a condition called Argyll-Robertson pupil, in which light reflex is affected, but the accommodation is intact. Then what we have in the gray matter is mesencephalic nucleus, which receives impulses, proprioceptive impulses from masseter muscles, then teeth, ocular muscles, facial muscles. Then Edinger-Westphal nucleus, which is the parasympathetic component of the oculomotor nerve. Then oculomotor nerve itself has a nucleus over in the midbrain. Midbrain gives rise to cranial nerves, which numbers? So in the superior colliculus level, we have the third cranial nerve nucleus. Then we have the red nucleus, which is a very important structure I will be talking about in the following slide. Then substantia nigra. Substantia nigra, okay. As we can see in the midbrain, midbrain is the cerebral aqueduct. A plane passes the cerebral aqueduct, divides it into the dorsal, small and greater. This is the tegmentum. So in the tegmentum to the crus cerebri, this black color portion over here is the substantia nigra. So the name came substantia nigra. So crus cerebri. In this we can see three portions, right? In these three portions, lateral ones is this temporopontine, parietal pontine, and occipitopontine. And the medial ones is formed by the frontal pontine fibers. And this large one, bulky one, two-third portion, it is formed by the cortical nuclear and corticospinal fibers of the pyramidal tract. So let's go to white matter. In white matter, as my friends discussed about lemniscus, so all the three lemniscus are there, but the lateral lemniscus is not present because it terminates over the inferior colliculus level. Then we have the decussation fibers. Decussation just means crossing over, like due to this contralateral manifestations are present. Right side of the brain is controls the left side of the body parts. So decusations. So ventral decussation is here, specifically given the forehead. It receives the lumbrospinal fibers, and from the dorsal decussation we have another name called Maynard. And from this we to this tectospinal and tectobulbar fibers are being seen. Then oculomotor fibers and fibers of crus cerebri. This is the important structure, which is called the red nucleus over here. Red nucleus is nothing but the gray matter over here. It is a cigar shape. The important thing is it receives many connections from other parts of the brainstem and the brain. So the connections which mainly important are the cerebrovulvar fibers. Cerebrovulvar fibers means it receives from the cerebrum, and corticorubral fibers, pallidorubral fibers from globus pallidus. Globus pallidus, it has a fancy name, but it is a component of basal ganglia. Then fibers of subthalamic nucleus, it's again a part of basal ganglia. Then rubro, then afferent fibers. Rubro here means denotes the afferent fibers from red nucleus, and the second part which comes is the fibers which it is giving to. So from red nucleus to spinal cord, then rubro from the bulbar to the motor nuclei of the brain nucleus, rubro auditory, rubro cerebral, rubro nuclear. This is the diagram. So coming to the blood supply of the brain, as we know, there is a structure called. Imagine this is the vertebral artery. Vertebral artery from right and left joined to form the vesicular artery. Vesicular artery again divides to 4 branches. So among the 4 branches of the vesicular artery, 2 main branches give rise to the blood supply of midbrain, which is the posterior cerebral artery and superior cerebellar artery. So if the occlusion occurs between the posterior cerebral artery, there is a condition which is called the Welber's syndrome, which happens. The venous drainage is done by great cerebral and vesical veins. This one I was talking about Welber's syndrome. This occurs due to the lesion of cerebral peduncles, which is supplied by the posterior cerebral artery. Cerebral peduncle. In this manifestations of ipsilateral, which is related to the third of palsy. Pyrenoid syndrome is lesion at the superior clavicle. So let's see. This is the diagram showing the lesion of pyrenoid syndrome, and this one Weber syndrome. Then and this one is the Benedict syndrome.